Hi guys, good morning. So okay guys, so good morning. So we're going to be trading live session this morning. So we actually analyzed some charts. We analyzed some pairs yesterday. So today we are going to check it out and see how far if and see if the trade is actually like has actually tapped our other block or not. So today is Tuesday, which is second day of our live session. Second day of our live session. So hold on. So I'm going to be sharing my screen now, and we're going to check those pairs we analyzed yesterday. So guys, so I'm back. So now we're going to be sharing. I'm going to be sharing my screen now. So let's look at the chart and let's see if there's going to be any opportunity to trade from today. So now I hope you guys are seeing my screen. I don't know if you guys are seeing my screen. Okay, I guess you guys are seeing my screen. Okay, so this is the pair we analyzed yesterday, and I was actually like actually I was actually seeing this pair going down to this point before going above. As the case may be, it is actually going up to this our resistance level. So it might tap this resistance level first before coming back down. So either way, we are still good. You can sell right here. You can sell the market right here or buy right here. You understand? But I just feel and I think this buy is actually not valid anymore because market is aiming for this resistance level. So market is going to clear this liquidity and tap this resistance level before coming down or probably break this resistance level to the upside. So we actually analyze WIF USDT. That's brief. Let's see. So on this pair, I like we actually missed entry on this pair. The market was actually coming down to our other block before, but unfortunately the market did not like tap us in before going back up. So this is I'm going to cancel this trade, but it is still valid, sha. It is still valid because market is okay. Let me go to the far time frame and see. Okay, so looking at the 4 hours time frame, we are seeing this like market is bearish. So we have our break of structure here. So we have our break of structure here, and then we have our resistance level here also. So now we have our fair value gap here. Let's say an imbalance. We have an imbalance here, and again, I'm looking at price to map this as our liquidity. But looking at the chart, looking at it, price has actually swept this like this week right here. I've actually swept this liquidity. So there's high chances market is going to react from here before going back down and sweep this liquidity right here. So market have swept this already, like not tapping our other block. So market is reacting from this imbalance. So this buy trade is actually not is not valid anymore because it's not valid because the higher time frame price is actually bearish and we are looking at price to form another break of structure or to clear out this liquidity right here because market has actually targeted this and it has this week has actually cleared out this. So I'm going to cancel this buy. But let's go back to Solana. So on Solana, I'm looking at price to go to tap this resistance level. You understand? So I don't think this buy trade is actually valid anymore also because price is actually going to tap price is aiming for this resistance level before coming down or doing any other thing. So as you can see, there's a strong momentum here causing like price to go up. Do you understand? You can see the strong movement. So price is actually going up and aiming for this. So we're going to be looking to short from here. So we'll be looking to short market from here. So let's check BTC and see if we can let's see BTC movement. So on BTC is actually bullish. BTC is bullish. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Looking at BTC reacted from this point here and caused a break of structure here. Now we have our break here. We have our break here. So markets actually formed another break of structure. We have like a break of structure here also. So we have a break of structure here also. So now we have another break and markets before like market actually reacted from this point of interest. So we are looking at BTC to actually okay. Let me go to the higher time frame and see. So this is the daily time frame. So at least I'm looking at BTC to go up. Like BTC should go up, I think, to this level. So BTC should at least go up to this level, at this level here. So okay, let me just mark this out. Even if price did not come to this other block I map out here, at least price is going to like get to this point before any other movement. So I'm looking at BTC to break this resistance level and then go up to this point. So on the 4 hour time frame we have a break of structure. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, as you can see, so let me just remove this. Price has actually tapped it and okay. Let me so now we have a break of structure. We are looking at price to at least form a liquidity level or an engagement level somewhere here and then come to this point. So if BTC can at least form an engagement level here, then you can actually take it back from this point back up. So let me check Ethereum. So for Ethereum, same like Ethereum is actually looking like BTC. Price reacted from here. We have the break of structure, another break of structure also, another break of structure also. So we're looking at Ethereum to at least come to this level. Let me go to the 15 minutes. So this is it. There's actually no opportunity to trade from this money. No. So let's check other pairs. So this is the this is SUI. So let me go to the higher time frame. I think I'm seeing something on this. Okay. SUI is bearish. SUI is bearish because why I said it is bearish is because we have break of structure here. So in most cases, it is actually advisable to like when you're analyzing the market to do your top down analysis so you can see like the direction of the market. You guys understand? So we have this break of structure. So now price is reacting from this and we have our fair value gap. We have our fair value gap here also. You can see this liquidity level. So price actually tapped this other group and came down, then tapped again, then came down. and also went up. So let's go to the 2 hours time frame. So on the 2 hours time frame, yes. So now on the 2 hours time frame, we need to do that. So on the 2 hours time frame, we have this break here. I'm sorry, on the 30 minutes time frame right now, the market actually set this. It's like small week. So now value reacting from this point. So I'm actually looking for, so I think, so we're going to go to the 15 minutes too. So now on the 15 minutes time frame, we are going to be looking to at least sell. So we are going to be selling from this point. So let me go to the 5 minutes. So as you can see, we have our break. So we can actually trade from this to this one. So now our break of structure. I think we're going to trade from. I'm looking to trade from this other block. But so we have this other block here, and also we have this. So let me take this out. So we're going to be taking. We're going to be selling from this. We're going to be selling from this point here. So we have our fair value gap here. So should we put our stop loss somewhere here? That's actually a big stop loss. So let's just take it down. So now I'll take profit again for this one now. So to be on the safer side, I'm going to want us to take our sell from this other block, but let's take the sell from this. So now I'm going to put our stop loss a little bit above this block. So now I'm going to be having two RR. So now our take profit is going to be here. Or we can actually set our take profit to this point. So yeah, let's just do the last row. So let's just put our take profit there. This is actually a decent risk to reward. So now ability, nothing here. So for this, Let me go to the higher time frame. Oh. So on the higher time frame, as you can see, bearish movement, bearish movement, bearish movement, bearish. I know some people are going to be wondering how to the bearish movement. Let me show you guys. Market and a break here. Market had a break here. Let me go to the 4 hours. Sorry. No. So as you can see, market broke structurally and again. So bearish movement, bearish movement, bearish movement, bearish movement, bearish movement. So okay, let me draw the break of structure for you guys. So we have our break of structure. Yeah, and let me go to the lower time frame. So on the lower time frame, there's I'm looking to sell this pullback because market is okay. I'm going to refine this our break. Okay, I don't think you guys are seeing my screen now. Let me go share my screen again. I don't even know where. Uh, so I don't know if you guys are seeing my screen. I guess you guys are seeing my screen. Okay, let me start over because I don't know where this stuff sharing is. I don't know where exactly. So on Undo USDT, we are like I said bearish moment. So we have our break here. Then going to the 2 hours time frame now, as you can see, market finally broke this level. You understand to the downside. So on the 1 hour, so I'm looking to because market is reacting this. So but this is a risky trade. So let me know. Let me just forget. I can just take. You know why I said it's a risky trade? Okay, let me show you guys. So in the 1 hour we can see this. So let's go to the 15 minutes. So you can see price is reacting from that point. So now I'm looking to sell to this level. I don't know if you guys are seeing. So I'm looking to sell to this level. Yeah. Mm. So we have our break. Yeah. Market on the 15 minutes, market is bullish. You can actually pick your buy from here. So market is bullish. So I'm looking to sell this pullback. So I'm looking to take a sell on this pullback. So let me show you guys. Let me go to the 5 minutes time frame. on the 5 minute time frame, we have this. We have our break. We have our break of structure, and then we have this. Now this as blood activities required. So now I'm looking to sell this product. So this is going to be my engagement level, my liquidity. Then I'll be selling from this point. I'm selling from this point. Stop loss a little bit above the last. So I take profit going to the year. So I'll be selling from this point also. So now, like I said yesterday, my maximum trade is two trades. You understand in a day. So now I think we've got two trades. So we've got two trades. To we've got two trades today. We've got two trades today. So I'm looking at market to go to this point then we sell down just to 2.45. So then if market come if market come to this level, we'll be looking to at least buy from this level. So these are the two trades for today, SUI and Ondo USDT. Up, 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 up. So now let's see what today have for us. Let's see what today have for us. So that's it for today. We have just two trades. Like I told you guys, just I do take two trades. When I see two surplus like this, I'm done for the day. Or in most cases, just one. So. This is it for today. I'm going to drop this signal on my Telegram group, and you guys can. I'm going to have to cancel those yesterday trades because they are not valid anymore. So, and like I told you guys, so it's actually aiming to this level, I think, to this level. So I'm going to be looking at it to go to this level first before. So now, these are the two trades for today. So that's it for today, Sha. So let's see. I'm going to come back here tomorrow and we are going to see what happens. Stop loss or take profits. So I don't know. So this is a probability game. I've done my analysis, I've done my parts. So it's just to sit back and watch what the market have for us. So that's it, guys. So that's it. So I'm going to come back tomorrow. I'm going to come back tomorrow and then we're going to check what happened. So I'm going to play this trade now and I'm going to drop on my Telegram group. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you share this live stream to other people. It might help beginners trader. You understand? So see you guys tomorrow. I'll come back here, trade live, and then show you guys what happened to today's trade or today analysis. So bye guys. Like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye guys.